Hello, my name is Fernando Serrano, and I am a computer science student at UTEP. I am here to talk to you today about human capital, or otherwise known as the skills that a person can have relating to work and even school. Alright, so the first skill that I would like to talk to you about is one I believe I have, the cooperation and teamwork. And that's the ability to work with someone else in order to create or produce something effective. And this goes even from in computer science, where you have to work in teams with other people to write big pieces of code or applications, such as Facebook, that was built by a team of people, not an individual. The next one is adaptability and flexibility. This one is the ability to adjust to changes in their environment and able to respond quickly to changing ideas. And this one goes into even with me, where I am both studying computer science, but I'm also helping out at the theater center. And right there is mostly physical construction of the sets and all that. So I have to be able to respond from the logical thinking in computer science to just knowing how to build carpentry and all those individual skills. The next skill that we'll be looking at is time management. So the ability of organizing and planning how to divide your time between specific activities. This is really important, such as in classes, where you have to make sure that you have enough time to actually be able to complete all the work. And if you have a lot of meetings, you need to be able to know how to properly schedule them and how much time you need to have for each meeting before the next one. The next skill is problem solving. So the ability to solve problems in an effective and timely manner without any impediments. This goes into programming and anything in life, where whenever you're presented a problem, to not just get stuck with it, and if need be, if you do get stuck with it, to be able to take the time away and just think about what it is that you're doing in order to be able to get past it. And it's trying to do this as effectively as possible, that way you can keep going with what you need to do. The final skill that I possess would be written communication, the ability to communicate clearly and concisely and concretely in writing. That way, in this, you have to be able to write in a way that everyone will understand what you're trying to communicate, either the idea or the feeling that is that you're trying to show to another person. So this would include from writing text messages to emails to just writing a document. Now, of course, there are skills that I still need to develop, such as leadership, interpersonal skills, and time management, and I'm taking my time to actually learn and get better at these. The first one being leadership, or the skills you use when organizing other people to reach a shared goal, such as in many of the classes where you're put into teams, there's times where people don't want to uh, be the person who says, oh, we need to do this by this time, and you have to be able to take charge yourself in order to actually get the work done. Another is interpersonal skills, so the behaviors and tactics a person uses to interact with others effectively. This is since there's going to be a lot of situations where you have to talk one-on-one with another person, and you have to know how to communicate your ideas, or even if you're trying to tell them, oh, this might not be as efficient as if you did this other process that you could be doing. You have to be able to know how to communicate with that person. And finally, we have organizational skills, so the ability to stay focused on different tasks. This I still need to work on, as I do have the time management to know or to organize what events I'm going to be doing, but just to sit down and actually to do the program that I need to write or get focused on my writing the resumes is quite a bit more difficult. So these are some of the different skills that exist that you should keep in mind. Thank you for your time.